Welcome to the third installment of our 5-part video series on financial compliance. These short videos focus on you, the licensee, and are designed to help you run your business. In this video, we cover the risk of small businesses getting too big too quick, what you need to do when your turnover increases, and the maximum revenue financial calculator. Expanding too rapidly can strain finances, and if your business is not equipped for the rapid change, it may struggle with increased overhead costs and can put your long-term sustainability at risk. Getting too big too quick without the appropriate mechanisms in place can lead to loss of quality control and cash flow issues. Effective planning and management and having the right structure for your business are really important to counteract these risks. A licensee with larger revenue carries more risk through potential debts and therefore needs to have more available assets to manage that risk. The more contracts, the more chances of things going wrong because there are more customers and more money needed to complete those contracts. Before you take on contracts, you should assess the balance sheet viability of your business and make sure that you have sufficient working capital available. Check that you have the capacity and finances to maintain the expected increase in work. QBCC recommends that you seek professional advice to navigate challenges and sustain growth. Meeting regularly with your accountant or financial advisor is an essential step to ensuring the business is tracking in the right direction. Business experts such as a qualified accountant and/or a legal representative can identify potential hurdles, and their experience can help you make informed decisions. This can also include seeking guidance from experienced mentors in business in order to give your business the greatest chance of succeeding. Companies that take on too many projects can run out of capital to support them. When you're juggling more projects than you are used to, you can quickly strain whatever cash flow you have available. It's a common pitfall in the building industry to use progress payments received from one job to pay for the liabilities arising from a different project. If there are payment delays or unforeseen increased costs, this can result in the business not having enough available cash to pay contractors, purchase materials, or meet other crucial expenses. Make sure you have a good internal accounting system to keep track of sales, invoicing, income in, and expenses out. By keeping an eye on your quarterly or even monthly figures, this can make it easier to determine when you need to apply to QBCC for an update on your license maximum revenue amount. QBCC's maximum revenue amount is the maximum turnover your business can earn in a financial year and is based on your financial situation. Your net tangible assets or working capital is what determines the maximum revenue amount that is set. If you're going to exceed your maximum revenue by more than 10%, you must first lodge a minimum financial requirements report and financial statements to QBCC that show you have enough equity to support the increase. QBCC monitors actual income increases and working capital bases through lodgements of financial reporting information to ensure that licensees can pay their debts when they fall due. The first step is to gather current financial information and make contact with your accountant to begin preparation of the minimum financial requirements report. You'll need documents such as a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, aged debtors and creditors listing, and a statement of cash flows. QBCC's financial requirements categorizes licensees based on the maximum revenue amounts. The higher the maximum revenue amount, the higher the assets you must have to ensure that you can support the increase in liabilities being incurred and the increased income being undertaken. A handy calculator is available on QBCC's website to work out how many assets you need to cover the turnover you're planning, or what maximum revenue you would be granted based on the assets you have. The next video in this series will talk about your options to recover unpaid monies.